What is that, Max?
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate?
It's honey on it.
There's a honey on it?
That's a habit. That's a habit.
Jesse, have it? Is it your favorite?
Yes. My favorite.
What did you got? Oh, wow. M&M's. Mmm, yummy. What you get on yours, Jazzy Jazz?
Daddy's favorite.
What you get, Jazz?
Okay, great.
I got. Look, buddy. Look.
What you get?
Look what I got.
What you get, Jazz?
Don't touch the pumpkin.
Look.
Ooh, that's Mommy's favorite.
Hey, Mommy, try it.
Okay. Thank you.
Mom, try.
Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say Happy Halloween.